In this video, we're taking a virtual tour of Verona, Italy. Verona is probably one of the most beautiful towns in Italy, and that's really saying something because, let me tell you, Italy has a lot of beautiful towns. Located in the northern Veneto region, Verona is most famous for being the real home of the fictional Romeo and Juliet. But today, Shakespeare's favorite soap opera set has fewer daggers and more gelato. Directly ahead of you is the Arena di Verona. Built around 30 AD, the Romans packed 30,000 people in here to watch gladiators. And today, it hosts opera. Same dramatic screams, but now they're in Italian and hit high C. Look up and you can see Juliet's balcony. Juliet never actually lived here, or actually ever even existed, and Shakespeare never even visited Verona. But the Cappello family lived here, and Cappello sounds kinda like Capulet. This is Piazza della Erbe, Verona's OG farmers market. Romans once hawked spices here. Now you can buy fruit, postcards, or the same knockoff leather bag in 12 soulful shades of taupe. One block over from the Piazza della Erbe is Piazza dei Signori, which has a brooding statue of Dante from 1321. Fun fact, the locals call this square Il Salato, the parlor, because politics, poetry, and people watching all happen here under one Renaissance chandelier of stars. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Traveler VR so you don't miss our next virtual voyage. Until then, keep exploring.